is up, guys? What is up, guys? It's Ava, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I hope everything is going so well. Today, I'm currently heading to my sister's house to pick her up, and then we're gonna head over to Brent's house, and then my sister's gonna give me a makeover. I just feel like 2020 is coming up, and I've been trying to switch my look around. I just wanna be unique, you know? I just wanna have like cool style. I think in the year 2020, I'm just gonna go full fashion and like try my hardest to just dress the way that I wanna dress and just see where it takes me. Today's video is sponsored by Rakuten. My sister and I have been using Rakuten so much just because we've been shopping a lot for like the holiday season. If you guys don't know what Rakuten is, it's literally eBay. They just changed the name, but everything else is staying the same. Rakuten is the largest cashback program with over 3,000 retail partners. Like, that's a lot. Some of my favorite retailers on Rakuten are Forever 21 and Nike. With Rakuten, you can get cash back, promo codes, and coupons all for free. And you literally get money back for shopping that you were already gonna do. Rakuten has tons of great stuff right now. They've got like double and triple cashback saving on all of those sales coming up. So it's free to sign up. It's literally free money in your pocket that you were going to spend anyways. So I know the holiday season's coming up. Save your money, save your coin. Beat the system. The Illuminati is stealing your money. Take it back with Rakuten. If you guys want to sign up, there is a $10 welcome bonus for you guys in the description box below using my link. So pretty cool. But yeah, it is raining outside today. I'm excited to get my makeover. I'm excited to get some new clothes. Gosh darn it, I deserve to feel new. I felt old for so long, you know? Like, can anyone relate? I just want to feel new. It is such bad weather today. It's so like twilight weather. Okay, so we're currently at Brent's house. Ben's here.
What's good?
Brent's here.
Hiya. It's dark outside.
What do you guys think I should dress like?
Ooh, Victoria's Secret model.
Speaker system.
If you saw a girl walking down the street and she was like wearing a cute outfit and you were like, ooh, that's a cute outfit, what would she be wearing?
I don't know. I mean, what are the categories?
Horse girl, let's turn you into a horse girl.
Oh my god, wait. Brent likes horse girls.
Oh wait, yeah.
I like horse girls. Don't you like horse girls?
I love them. Hey, what's wrong with horse girls? Like Megan the Stallion. She's a horse girl.
Megan the Stallion is not a horse girl. We've got horse girls, we've got e-girls, we've got visco girls, we've got soft girls, the glam girls. So what's the furthest thing than what I am?
Oh boy.
Oh. Did you just call me girly?
Oh, wait. Yeah, yes. I guess I did.
We have to figure this out, Maya. We have like an hour before it gets dark. I would like to be the most hardcore e-girl.
Cute e-girl, not dark.
No, I want to be a dark e-girl, Maya. I want to be an e-girl.
Okay. We need to get like a bunch of stuff though. So, shouldn't we go?
Okay, let's go.
Where did I sign up for this?
Brent, do you know what kind of weather it is?
It's rainy.
No, cuddle weather. Oh, it's all right, Maya, we're currently in the mall. I am going to give you my credit card. Don't make any mistakes. E-girl stuff.
Yes.
We're looking for chains, for metal. Straps, we're looking for black piercings.
Yes. Wait, did we even check if they have that like at this mall?
Who cares? Figure it out.
Bye.
Okay, update. It has been about 35 minutes. I just texted my sister to see how it's going and she hasn't texted me back. I'm just a little bit stressed out. The sun goes down in literally an hour. I'm sitting by a bunch of stores that she probably should be shopping in and she hasn't passed me. I just want to look good. I hope she doesn't switch this up on me. I'm stressed.
I shopped till I dropped. I'm ready to leave this mall.
See some leather? What are you doing?
Wait, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Brent.
Wait, what's this? Oh.
Oh, the ring.
Currently leaving the mall. Maya, you better have gotten everything we need. How much money did you spend?
I have no idea. Maybe like 200?
What?
Okay, but there was like a lot of deals and like the lady at the store was like, oh, you get a free shirt, 2 free pair of earrings, and like free jewelry, so I got a bunch of free stuff.
Okay, let's see what you got. All right, that's cute. I like that. What is this, a dance leotard?
Honestly, if it doesn't work out, I'll take it.
Okay. This is a visco girl shirt, Maya. E-girls wear oversized
With some
things!
chains.
But I like the pants. These are the shoes you think? I like a good sneaker.
What e-girl sneaker did you want?
I don't know, Nikes? You got so much jewelry. This is not e-girl.
That's not how you wear them.
Yes, it is. Oh, wait, this is cute. Wait, this is cute.
Okay, but that's not e-girl.
I changed my mind. I want to be a visco girl now.
After we bought all this.
While Brent is up in his room, give me the makeover, make me look really hot.
Okay.
And then I'll go upstairs and hopefully he likes it.
Brent doesn't like e-girl.
Yes, he does. We don't change ourselves to impress boys.
You just said my final ending to the video is seeing if Brent likes it.
Boys will come and go, Maya.
Hey.
Don't touch my palette like that.
What do you mean? I'm just swatching it.
Ew. You can touch your own palettes the way that you want.
You can do your own makeup.
Fine, I will do my own makeup, and this will be my own makeover. Hello, Becker. Don't mess this up, Maya.
Yeah, she's giving me already used dirty brushes.
So take it off.
This is like a stamp, and if we place this wrong, the whole look is over.
It's like an inch away from being cool or stupid.
Okay.
Why do I feel like it's so close to my eyeball? Feels like it's literally in my eye socket.
Well, because your eyes protrude out, and then...
Did you mess me up?
I don't know. I don't think they're that cute.
This was my big moment to look great.
Stop putting it on your teeth. Okay, you look fine. It's gonna come together. Eager look. It's not supposed to be you. I thought it'd be cool to have a different earring.
Okay.
On each side.
What are you doing? Maya, I swear. That's not gonna fit on me. I'm
Hook it on there. I'm gonna hook it on.
I'm gonna literally lose blood flow.
I don't know what to say.
What do you mean?
You know?
Does she look like an e-girl?
Yes.
The mission was to make you look like an e-girl. The mission was not to make you look like the hottest Brent fantasy that you want to be.
Yeah, an e-girl would wear this.
Right?
I feel like we could have went with some boots instead of like the high. I feel like that's more e-girly. What do you think?
There's a lot of issues with this, Maya. First of all, the biggest problem is the lipstick.
The lipstick was your choice.
Well, sorry, Mom. I didn't know it was gonna look green. The hair is not cute, okay? The jewelry is nice. I will say the jewelry is nice. The hearts make me feel like I should belong in the circus.
I don't think it's that bad. Is she the best looking e-girl? No. Is there room for improvement? Yes.
Don't become an e-girl because it's harder than it looks.
I think if I was in charge of this, things would have been much better. She's gonna have to do the rest of her life. Looks like it's just me and you, Maya.
Oh my god, I'm so ugly. What is that? Oh my god, wait, where's my Gucci belt? Give me back my stuff, Brent.
Where's my suit?
Your suit's in the house. Well, Maya, thank you for turning me into an e-girl today.
You're welcome.
Wait, this isn't, who is this? This isn't mine. Who is this? What girls left this at your house? I swear to
Smell it,
God.
smell it.
It's yours.
Does it smell like a woman?
Wait, let's smell the armpit.
Smell it.
This is not mine. I've never seen this in my life.
Why is there naked babies?
I've never seen this in my life.
And whose is it?
You tell me, you cheater.
Wait, what?
This is Lauren Grace.
Wait, how'd you know?
That's Lauren. You guys, this video has turned into me looking like a true clown. Maya turned me into a clown.
You were always a clown.
Transformation, success.
And I think that's my cue to leave.
I'll
She
leave
left
you
her
guys
hoodie here.
Good morning! Good morning, everybody. It is the next day, and I am no longer an e-girl. You know, so last night didn't go too hot. I mean, to be honest, I think the e-girl life, you know, it didn't choose me. It's fine. All in all, I think Maya got me some really cool stuff. I really like the jewelry that she bought. That is it for this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like when I change my style, and maybe next time we'll do a little bit better. Maybe this video was a flop, but you know what? At least I learned, and nothing is a flop. Every time you flop, it's just a learning experience. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Head over to my vlog channel if you guys want to see the vlog from today and just all the vlogs from the past couple weeks. Thank you so much to Rakuten for sponsoring this video. We used it to get some really good deals on the stores we shopped at. And honestly, like, the deals were good. They were good. Like, they're already popping out with the deals. And that is it for this video. I love you guys. Mwah! And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Mwah! Bye. Have a good day. Bye.